Let's just see what we can find from this structure over here. Daily time frame. Uh, daily time frame. Okay, let me draw my eyes. This is my high and this is my lower low. Firstly, I have to check the structure. You see, we had an impulse and then followed by a retrace, impulse. Now we are in a corrective structure, you see, so expecting more push to the downside for a long term. You see, we had a strong impulse, we have a strong a retraced impulse. Now we are in a corrective structure. So let me delete all this. This is just to give you a clue about the market, where the market is heading for a long term. So now, how can we analyze this chart? For me, by just looking at this chart, I'm seeing a very strong zone, a very strong zone. This one. I'm just using my phone, guys. I'm just using my cell phone. This is a strong zone, guys. You can call it a strong supply, strong support, strong resistance, strong demand. You can call it whatever you want. Let me show you something. This is a strong zone. You see the rejection here, rejection 1, and then this is a rejection 1 on a resistance. This is a resistance because the market was trading below this zone, and then the market broke, and then we have another rejection on the same zone. Now this zone here, this zone is just, it is no longer a resistance, it is now a support. And then we have another rejection over here. You see, we have 3 rejections already. Then we have 4 rejections. You see how this zone is so very strong. It's very strong. The market has been pushing. We've been having more push of bulls pushing the market upwards. So what can we have here is very important. It's very important. I'm anticipating price to move to the upside. You see, let me just save this for future preferences. So now, how do we get involved in this trade? We're still in daily time frame now. So now look at here, look at this rejection, this one. Look at that rejection. What do you call that rejection? It's a very strong rejection on the zone. You see, what do you call this? Is a hangman, or it's a hammer, or it doesn't matter, but for me it's a rejection. It's the same as this rejection. You see, the same as this rejection over here on the zone. You see, this is just to show you how strong this level is. Every time when the market reaches this zone, the market is likely to react. You understand? Yes. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame and see what we can find here. For me, it's pretty much simple because I can already see how we approach this structure here. Remember how we approach this structure. Remember how the market approach this zone is very important. You see, it's very important. And for me, by just looking at this current structure, I see the market is trying to form a very strong reversal. Very strong reversal, head and shoulder pattern. If you can check, well, head and shoulder. I'm just gonna use these tools because I'm very lazy to open my laptop now. This is gonna be a strong head and shoulder pattern that is formed here. See, this is going to be head and shoulder pattern that is forming, and we're just going to have our neckline over here. You see, just gonna have our neckline over here. So in this case, we'll wait for the market to break the structure, to break the neckline, come back to retest the neckline, and then we're gonna take our positions right there. And then we're gonna be buying Euro GBP up until this level. We're going to holding GBP until we reach these levels. This one and this one. You see, it's pretty simple. This position, I mean this level and this level, for long time hold, for long term. Let me delete this things so that I can have a clean chart. Clean chart. I already, it's a signal. It's a signal, guys. And another confirmation that you can look at here that confirms that we are going up. We can even draw a trend line like this. You see, we broke here on the trend line. So this is a confirmation that the market is pushing up. You see, but this whole piece of price action is not yet complete. It's not yet complete. We are going to wait for the little push down, the retest of this small neckline. You see, our equal shoulders, just little bit, push little bit down, and then we are going up from here. You see, yes, I so wish MT4 could have been the same as trading view. You see, guys, it's pretty simple. On the zone, the market is rejecting this zone. This is a strong zone. This zone is very strong, because on daily time frame we have a lot of rejection on this zone. So every time when the market is reaching the zone, the market is likely to react. Okay, guys, that's it for Euro GBP. Thank you.